Hello guys, it's Lucas the Minecraft Wither Skeletons fan here, and today we are going to be taking a look at 4th of July fireworks from 2022. It's still 2022 right now, guys, and I am sorry I didn't do this video on the 4th of July, but I just want to wish everybody, hope you guys all had a happy 4th of July. And I might have to change the title a little bit because it's not July no more, but it's fine. Let's just take a look at this video. Oh wow, look at those fireworks! Oh! Oh, that's a lot of fireworks. Wow! Wow. That's awesome! And also, guys, hope you all had a great 4th of July. I did. Mine was pretty good. Oh! That is awesome! Wow. Well, anyway, guys, that's it for this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. And peace.